Hello everybody, welcome to this episode of SK Diecast Talks. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at this Mini GT. It's a beautiful BMW M4 GT3, the 2021 presentation model. So I'm going to quickly unbox this car and take a look at the model and review it. So as usual, let's start with the box first. So this is the usual Mini GT color layout, the dual color layout. So this time I think for this car they've gone with a light gray and a dark gray kind of a combination, which looks pretty okay. The front of the box as usual has the Mini GT brand with the image of the car and the model. And over here as usual the warnings in various languages that's there. On this side is the Mini GT with the scale that is written here, and over here is the number and the social media handles as usual. So to this side, surprisingly, the box is plain. Usually, Mini GT puts the model names there or some kind of content over there. For example, if you take a look at this, they have the GTR branding. This is a Skyline. But this box seems to be plain on one side. And to the rear, you have the TSM model with the 3D hologram, which is the BMW hologram, as well as the TSM model hologram. The BMW hologram looks pretty cool. I think you can see that. It's the BMW front grille. It looks very nice. I like this. So let's quickly unbox this and take a look at the car inside. Wow, that looks actually beautiful. I just love the BMW colors. The BMW racing colors have come out quite well on this. So let's grab the car and take it out and see how that looks. There you go. So it's very beautifully done. I think it looks super cool. Mini GT, as usual, the quality is pretty good, and I think the car has come out quite well. So let's take a quick look. Probably the top angle first. I like this angle of this car. So you can see the BMW logo over there on the spoiler with the BMW Motorsport logo as well. The same thing on the front windshield and on the hood as well. You have the BMW logo and the BMW Motorsport logo over there. I just like the color scheme. I think it's come out quite well. The blues and the reds and the whites have come out quite well. So the top angle looks quite nice. Let's take a look at the side. So this is they've put the one over there, so you can also see the BMW racing logo over there. A few of the sponsors here on the side skirt that you can see. I like the way they have done the vents over here. I think the vents actually have some depth with some kind of a plastic insert over there, which looks quite nice. The wheels are nothing to really write home about. The wheels are kind of okay. There's nothing fancy about it, but it does suit the car. I don't know how it would have looked with a lighter colored wheel, but yeah, this works as well. The wheels are kind of plasticky, but I have a feeling that it's rubber, but it looks very plasticky though. So the bottom of the car, you can just see the Mini GT logo and the BMW license and made in China. That's about it. A few rivets that can be seen here. I think that's all there is with the screws. So I don't think there's anything, any detailing in the bottom of the car. So the mirrors are kind of, flexible rubber, so which is nice. It doesn't break off that easily when the car is pushed, especially when you're displaying it. So I don't think there's any issue with the mirrors. So let's take a look at the front end. This is the latest BMW grille, which BMW has been using for the last couple of years. I'm not a big fan of this grille. I liked the older BMW grilles, but yeah, it works for a very fluidic design like this. So the headlight inserts are very nice transparent plastics with what I'm assuming is a combination of the fog lights and the DRLs, I guess. So I think the front end is quite good. Maybe they should have given a touch of color here of the BMW Motorsport colors. That would have been very nice. So the front spoiler is also a plastic. It's actually an extension of the base, which is actually nice. Looks quite good. So the other side is just a mirror image. So I think there's nothing special to talk about over here. So the rear of the car. Now, this is my favorite view of this car. It looks quite nice. The exhaust vents over there looks quite good. You can also see the tail light inserts. They've come out quite well. The red plastics look quite good. And the tiny BMW logo over there and the BMW M4 GT3 written over there. Very tiny indeed, but it looks very nice. They've paid quite a lot of attention. So here is the BMWM.com, the BMW Motorsports website. So net, I think this is a very nice release by Mini GT. The car looks nice. It's going to display very well. I'm going to put it along with my racing liveried cars. A pretty good addition. I also like the split that's here. I'm assuming that's the wiper, but it's a mold in the plastic itself, so it's not a separate part. For some reason, the windshield seems to be pretty scratched. So are the other plastics. I don't know why, whether that's a manufacturing issue. So you can see that it's not very transparent, which is usually not the case. So you can see that there's quite a number of scratches over here on the glass parts of the car. which is a little weird because I just opened the sealed box. So I'm not sure if this is a piece that went out of went by mistake into and cleared the quality checks. But yeah, I'm not very happy with the quality of the glass parts, especially the windows, the front windshield, the rear windshield, and all of that. So that's the only disappointing piece of this car. But otherwise, I think this is a great addition. BMW lovers are going to like this. MiniGT lovers are going to like this. Racing car livery fans will also like this one. So that's it for today's episode. Let me catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.